What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is the first video and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Discord bot in the library discord.js. So to get started, you're going to need to install Node.js. Node.js.org is the website link. It'll all be in the description, all these links. So what you want to do, if you're on Windows, click this one, mark this one. So I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to click it, and I already have it, but we'll run through the install with you. So you just wait for it to finish up. Any second now. There we go. Just open it, and it's going to open this Node.js setup wizard, and it might take like 10 seconds to get to this screen, but just wait it out. And just click next, I accept, next. You can change this to whatever you want. This is just where Node.js is going to be installed, so feel free to change it. I'm just going to keep it there, so next. And what you need to do on the screen, make sure add to path is 100% will be installed. If it's not, Node.js will only function in your program files, and that's not what you want at all. So make sure add to path will be installed. And then next. Tools for native modules. So this is for C and C++. It's not needed for discord.js bots, so I'm not going to click it, but if you're in C and C++, go ahead. And next. And then you just click install. Obviously I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to click cancel. And finish. Okay, now that you've got Node.js installed, I recommend a text editor. So today I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, which is, well, the link will be in the description, it's just this one. But you've also got other options such as Atom and Sublime Text. They all do the same, but Visual Studio has a built-in terminal, which is very helpful for installing modules such as discord.js, etc. Now you've got a text editor, and now you've got Node.js installed, we want to actually create the Discord bot and get it in our server. So you want to go to discordapp.com/developers/applications. Then just click this blue button here, new application. You want to put in a name. I'm going to put tutorial bot. Click create. And you should have a screen that looks a little bit like this with your name in there and OAuth2 and bot on the left hand side. What you want to do is you want to click bot, and you want to click add bot, and yes. So now this application is now a bot, so we can add this to our server now. So if we go to OAuth2 and click this bot button here, you can see we get a link. This will invite it to the server, but it won't have any permissions. So if we just click admin, then when we invite it, it's gonna have a custom role which already has admin on it. So we won't need to add any permissions to it. So you just copy this link and open a new tab and copy that in and paste. And you can see you should come up with a screen like this. Just add it to your server. I'm gonna add it to line break and click authorize. I'm not a robot, and authorize. So we can close this down now, and if we go to Discord, we can see we've now got tutorial bot in the server. So now you can see it's offline, but we're going to make it come online. So open your text editor and create a new file called index.js. You can call this whatever, but this is your main file, your home file. Firstly though, we're going to need, if you're on Visual Studio Code, click terminal, new terminal, and something should come up a bit like this. Now that you've got Node installed, we can install discord.js through Visual Studio. So it's npm I discord.js. I've already got this installed, so I'm expecting quite a few warnings, probably. But yeah, you just let it install. Now that that's installed, you can close the terminal just for now, and we can require it in our main file. So const discord equals require discord.js. And now we need so now that we have discord as a variable required in our home file, we can now make our bot variable, which I'm gonna call constBot equals a new discord.client. So what this does is it creates a variable called bot, and it just assigns it to a new discord.client. Okay, now we can do bot.login, and then you want to go back to the, I think I've closed it down, let's open it back up, but you want to go back to the discord app.developers, click on your bot, and you want to go to bot, and you want to see this token, you want to click copy. So now you've got your token copied. Never show this token to anybody, because then they get access to your bot, and you just want to paste it in here. So you should have something which looks a little bit like this. And if we save this and open up a terminal, and if we type node index.js, nothing should happen, but if we go to Discord, you can see our bot is online. But we're also just gonna add a ready event in here. So a ready event is when the bot is online without any errors, so it's fully online, it's gonna run this event, and we're just gonna log to the console that the bot is online. So we're gonna do bot.on ready, then we're just gonna log to the console console.log I am online. So now if we Control C and node index.js, you can see it prints to the console I am online and the bot is online. So that's the end of episode 1. I hope you've learned a few things. In episode 2 we're going to be going through message events and how you can create commands and a ping command, etc. We'll get to that when we get to that. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.